of like a hike that, oh no, it's recognizing a lot of pinches for some reason. So I've been playing with the same thing as last week where like there were like balls falling. So I would pinch to create like a metallic red ball. Now I'm trying to wrap a 360 video around the balls to get them to move, or yeah, just to have like something else on. I'm definitely gonna spill this coffee. Yeah, just to have something else other than just like kind of like the default materials. So I have this video material. I can recognize, like, I at least know this is the wrong way probably to do things. I'm guessing you don't just have a bunch of videos directly in your project. There's got to be a better way to handle this, but I'm not worried about like doing that exactly the right way. So 50% will just be these regular metallic balls. 50% will be video balls, and then within that it'll just rotate between 3 different videos. Hopefully, I haven't actually played or like run this yet. And then to do the rotate between the 3 different video names, I just create this array, and then there's this random element to pull one of these 3 file names. Let's see how this goes. I have, yeah, it's gonna build there, and I'm wearing it right now. I think I'm recording. Okay, so build succeeded. Let's see. So this is that same app. It's gonna say place cubes. I should change it to place spheres, but we'll see how this goes. Place cubes, and then there's one of them. It looks like it's a video one. It needs to load. So yeah, there's the video. It's like, I'll show you what this is. It's this video I made, just a 360 video of me like playing with the camera, or just like adjusting it in the office. Not an interesting video. So let's see what we'll continue to get. This one is probably the more interesting video of like a hike that, oh no, it's recognizing a lot of pinches for some reason. Yeah, so this is an example of one of the metallic balls. And it's playing the audio from all of the different videos, so it's a little distracting because there's like wind, and then there's treadmill sounds. And then, yeah, this is cool. This is like the metallic texture that comes with, is it Reality Kit? But it's not like any, yeah, it just comes, it's just like the default metallic texture. But an interesting thing while playing with this is like this is something that I noticed, that like, if I have a bunch of these, then it will, so right now you can see like it's still, the reflection is still my office. But if I go into this hallway, it will at some point update the reflection, but I need to like look at this wall, and then I think it tracks it somehow, and you can see like it updates the texture based on like the position that it's in. And I think like the information that it has around here, this is not a reflection. Again, this is like the office. Let's see if I can get one on this desk. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, and it's cool. Yeah, you can see like it's respecting the different surfaces here. So it'll bounce off the different surfaces. And then, yeah, this is one of the hike videos. And I wanted it to be, I want to get it so that I can like touch this and then it will play the 360 video. It's actually just like kind of hard coded here that if I do a long pinch, or like a long, which is like a long press, then it should load this video as 360. Let me move out from underneath my desk so I don't try to stand up and hit my head. And hopefully, okay, so you can see like this is me on a treadmill over here. I'm gonna long press, and then it should, if things are working, it should do that video. There we go. It's really low quality just because I wanted to have like the small files, because I'm just using the same file for the sphere as is playing right here. So this is a glimpse into the home gym in the garage. So I guess that's that for this week. Things are working. I didn't make like as much progress. I'll just go back to here. As I would have liked. Better. Progress might be a little bit slower, but yeah, wanted to share that. Thanks for checking this out.